Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by testing your pool twice weekly with a reliable test kit and log results. Keep free chlorine steady between 1 and 3 ppm for routine prevention. Maintain pH in the 2 to 7, 6 range to allow chlorine to work efficiently. Keep total alkalinity between 80 and 120 ppm to stabilize pH swings and prevent algae encouragement. Remove leaves and debris daily from the surface and skimmer basket to reduce nutrient sources. Run your pump and filter 8 to 12 hours every day for consistent circulation and turnover. Shock your pool after heavy use, rain, or when chlorine drops suddenly below 1 ppm. Use a pool shock to raise free chlorine up to about 10 ppm for a few hours. Follow the shock product label for exact dosages and safety precautions when handling chemicals. After shocking, wait until free chlorine returns to safe swimming levels before allowing swimmers back. Apply an algaecide monthly at the label rate, typically 1 quart per 10,000 gallons for added protection. Maintain consistent shock and algaecide routines after storms or algae sightings to prevent recurrence. Clean or backwash your filter according to manufacturer instructions at least weekly. Run the filter 8 to 12 hours each day to ensure complete turnover and contaminant removal. Inspect and clean skimmer and pump baskets every few days to maintain flow and efficiency. Brush walls and vacuum the floor weekly to remove settled algae and organic buildup before it spreads. Use a water clarifier when the water is cloudy. Dose at about 1 ounce per 5,000 gallons for faster particle removal. Replace or deep clean cartridge elements every 3 months to preserve filter performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.